Hey guys, it's Stephanie with Simarchy and welcome to my tutorial series. Today we are going to be showing you how to do a floor plan. I know that sounds scary for some people, but it is my favorite, well probably my second favorite part of building. My first favorite part is building the structure. My second favorite part is making the floor plan. Now this is a very basic tutorial. My tutorials are going to range from very basic all the way up to some more advanced stuff, so make sure to leave me a comment below about what type of tutorial you would like to see for the next video. So to get into our floor plan, we've been using this house already. We use this in our how to build houses that aren't shaped like boxes video, so I will link that below so you can check that out. And we did not do a floor plan yet, so this is a perfect place to start off. Now this house is still pretty basic shaped. It should be pretty easy to do a floor plan. It's only one story, so we're gonna just start off with, well, I guess the entryway. That's usually my favorite place to start off because, oh no, we have a clipping bush. We can't have that. Get out of my house. Okay. The entryway is usually the best place to start because it'll sort of lead into the rest of the house. Now I am going to just quickly put some lighting in off camera and be right back so we can see what we're doing. And then there was light. Okay, so I haphazardly put lighting all around the house. I usually save lighting for after we create the floor plan so I can put them symmetrically and balanced inside of each room. But so you can see exactly what I'm doing here, I just place them all over the place. All right, so we're going to go into our wall tool. Now, when you're first starting to do floor plans, of course, you can just leave it very open concept. It's easy to just add a little bathroom or a bedroom here and there. But to really learn the shape of the rooms, I suggest adding walls just so you get an idea of what's going to flow into what. And then you could always delete them, remove them, make them into half walls, whatever you like. So I feel like the living room would just look good right here in front of the windows and right off of the entryway. So I'm going to find something that's pretty balanced. I am totally about symmetry, but not completely perfect symmetry. I just want it to balance and flow well. So I'm going to sort of take this shape here and go this way. And then I'm going to have it meet this wall over here. Now, of course, the lights are clipping in because they made no sense when I laid them down. This is pretty big for a living room, so we have two options. We can continue sectioning it off into smaller rooms, or we could change the shape a bit. So I know that I'm going to want some sort of hallway because it is one floor, and I'm not going for an open plan. So this can technically be our hallway here. So we can go ahead and cut this room down a bit more like this to create our hallway. Now it's still pretty big for a living room, especially for a small house like this. So we can go ahead and maybe add a half bath for guests and such. So we'll section that off into a bathroom. Now we're going to need a kitchen and a back door. We do have a back door already. Let me delete the wall here. And so I'm going to make this entire space here the dining room and the kitchen. So I'm going to, again, just kind of find a shape that works, that flows along with the house. I know this wall we're going to want to bring out this way somehow. And we do have this little protrusion, which could be a good thing or a bad thing. We can either leave it and work with it, or we can just kind of restructure it here so that the hallway just goes in between these rooms. And instead of having a door or an archway, actually, let's put an archway here. I'm going to put an archway on this side. Just pick a really basic one right there. So we're going to go from our living room through the hallway, and then from the hallway straight into the kitchen with no door or archway. And this is pretty big, but again, we could put a dining area here and the kitchen over here, and then we have room for 1 or 2 bedrooms, depending on how you want to section it off. If you wanted to make this 2 bedrooms, you can easily just take the wall tool right here and cut it right down in the middle. This would make a nice master bedroom, and this would make a nice little kids room. And we might need another bathroom because this is going to be a half bath. So we can actually section this off even further and make it a shared bathroom and a kids room by, let's see, how would we do that without making it too small? That would probably work. It's going to be a tight squeeze, but it'll work. Now I'm just going to readjust my lights and add in my windows. Actually, I'll do the lights first. We'll do the windows together. I'll be right back. Okay, I readjusted my lighting a bit so it wasn't all crazy like. And since we now know this is going to be a kid's bedroom, we can go ahead and add a few more windows so that they're not completely in the dark. And I think our kitchen and dining room has enough windows. Our living room's good, so I'm not going to do any more. This is a bathroom, so I'm not going to put any windows. If you did want to put a window, you can either cover it with a curtain or put a very short window up high so that you have a bit more of privacy. So now that we have our basic shape, I mean, that's pretty much it. The floor plan is done. So you can test it out with some furniture. I usually do this anyways, especially if it's a big house, so I know what's going to go where. For example, we know this is going to be the living room, so we'll click on our living room furniture. We'll just grab 2 random couches. Doesn't have to be anything special. I'm going to grab a different color so you can see the contrast here and start deciding where my living room is going to go. I would imagine it would be something like this, where we would have maybe a couch here and here, and then we would have the TV on the wall. And we do have a whole lot of extra room here. So we have a couple options. We can section it off again into another room, or we could just maybe use it more for some creative activities for the household. So we could grab a storage or go into our storage section and grab a bookshelf, maybe this one, and just set it there. That could be our book nook. And then over here towards the front, we can go into our activities and skills and grab an easel. I love putting an easel in all of the houses. And that way, when you're ready to furnish, you kind of have an idea of what you're doing. Now, this right here was going to be our half bath, so we can grab a door now that we have the general configuration of the house. And do we have any other doors already? No, this will be our first door. So we'll grab the simple 2-panel door and stick it there. And now that we have the door, we can go ahead and configure our bathroom. So we'll go into our objects. We'll pick out, since it's just a half bath, we could do a toilet over here. And we can grab some counters and put our sinks, or our single sink. Let's see. Right there. Okay. So that's going to be our half bath. Then we have our hallway. And then over here, we can put our dining table right in front of the kitchen. So we'll grab a dining table, maybe something fairly big, but not gigantic like this. Put that right there. We have some extra room over here, so maybe we can add some cabinets, some display hutches, maybe a high chair for the baby, whatever you'd like to do. And then this can be our actual kitchen over here. So we'll go through and grab some counters, just maybe the same ones we used in the bathroom, and just sort of lay these here so we have a basic idea of what the kitchen's going to look like. And then we'll grab this perhaps. Oh, that's not right. Let's extend this out a little bit more. Okay, you can figure out the rest of the kitchen, but you could put maybe the fridge over on this wall and configure it that way. So we do have some extra empty room. Maybe we could put a bar here, or maybe we can extend one of the bedrooms, however you want to do it. Oh, I just realized this should have been part of our hallway. See, that's the great thing about doing a floor plan. You can change it whenever you want. So since this goes into the child's bedroom, I'm actually going to extend our hallway a bit. Now you can leave it more open concept, of course, or I can talk. We can do it like this, okay? So that way we have a entrance into the child's room as well. That makes our kitchen a bit smaller. So what we can actually do is just reconfigure this, where we'll move the kitchen over here and put the dining table in there, because that still fits. And then we could just do a nice elongated kitchen over on this side of the house. So this is where placing the furniture to get an idea of what's going to go where definitely comes in handy. Since we did create an additional hallway, I'm going to grab our arch and have the arch come into the kitchen, okay? So you can figure that out however you want to configure your kitchen and dining room. So now I'm going to grab the same door that we had on the bathroom here, and I'm going to add a door for the kids' room, a door for the master bedroom, and they're going to each need a way to get into the shared bathroom. So we will put a door there and a door there. Okay, so now we can go ahead and grab our bed for the master bedroom by clicking on our bedroom, room, objects by room. I said I could talk and I'm lying already. Oh my goodness. Just grab any old bed that can go there. The kids' room, we can grab a kid-sized bed, like, I don't know, which one's base game? Like this. The kids' bed can go there perhaps, and then we can configure our bathroom. I really don't know how to talk. I swear sometimes. We could put a toilet right there. We could put a tub shower combo right there, and we could put our sink right there. So there you have it. That is a quick and easy way to come up with a floor plan. Just kind of visualize where each room is going to go and just start building. You can always reconfigure it later. Now, just to show you another floor plan with the exact same house, I'm going to undo all of this and we're just going to do it one more time without the furniture. Okay, we're back with a fresh, clean start. I'm going to configure it a little bit differently this time, just so you can see that pretty much any type of floor plan can work as long as you take the time to kind of figure out what's going to go where. It shouldn't be too hard after that. So let's say we want our living room to have this nice, big, beautiful window here. So instead, we can start drawing our walls this way, and we can make our hallway come out this way. So this can be one bedroom. This could be another bedroom. They're a bit smaller, but they'll still definitely work for maybe kids' rooms. I'm going to move one light here and one light there. And then we need a hallway, so we can have this jet out this way. And maybe this can be the master bedroom, nice big master bedroom. Since it is pretty big, we could probably just add a little bathroom here for everyone to share. So now we have two small bedrooms, a bathroom, and the master. And then we can make... we can cut this off here and make this our dining room, just like that, and this our kitchen. So there's the exact same house with a different floor plan, completely different floor plan. Now these might be a little bit small for kids' rooms. Maybe you could make one a nursery and one a study, or one a little library and one just a single bed for a kid. But that was just no effort at all. I just started drawing lines and saw what happened. And again, I can reconfigure whatever I need. For example, if I decided maybe this makes a better master bedroom and this makes a better kitchen, but it's a little bit big, we can always section this off and make this part a laundry room. So now we have two bedrooms, a bathroom, a kitchen, a laundry room, the master bedroom, and the dining room, and then up front, the living room. So there is a quick tutorial on floor plans. I will do something a little bit more advanced later using a staircase and a second floor, and any suggestions that you guys have, leave in the comments below. Guys, make sure you subscribe for a ton more tutorials from the very basic to a bit more advanced, and there are a ton of other videos if you want to check out just some fun building videos and house tours on this channel, and I will see you guys next time. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye! Wait guys, before you go anywhere, don't forget to click over here to watch new videos and click on my face when I disappear to subscribe.